Very watery good morning, children. How are you all? Good? Last time we studied about beautiful poem that was about water. Now the continuation of that same chapter, that is standard third, chapter number third, water oh water, page number 24. Children, everybody pencil in your hand. Now let us start with page number 24, the continuation of third chapter. Ready everybody? Okay. Chaku is confused. Ruchan and Chaku were feeling very thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango panna in steel tumblers. But Chaku wanted the drink only in a glass tumbler. Her uncle poured the panna into a glass tumbler, but Chaku was not happy. She complained, "Uncle, you have given me less panna." Discuss and tell. What do you feel? Did Chaku's glass tumbler have less panna? Well, children, here a very short story is there. There are two children, Ruchan and Chaku. They were feeling very thirsty. Well, children, if you feel thirsty, what do you do? Well, when I feel thirsty, I always drink water. Or maybe lemon juice. Yes, so here Ampanna is described in our paragraph in this very short story of Ruchan and Chaku. Here, both these children are feeling very thirsty, and their uncle is giving them mango panna in steel tumblers. As you can see here, these are the steel tumblers. So, their uncle gave them Ampanna in these tumblers, but Chaku wanted द ड्रिंक ओनली इन अ ग्लास टम्बलर. चकू नाम की जो लड़की है उसको सिर्फ कांच के ग्लास में ही चाहिए था. वो क्या चाहिए था उसको? आम पन्ना. सो हिज अंकल जस्ट poured this same आम पन्ना from the steel tumbler to glass tumbler. Now Chaku is not happy. She is complaining that uncle you have given me less panna. चकू को लगता है कि भाई उसके अंकल ने उसको कम दिया है. क्या कम दिया है? आम पन्ना. क्यों उसको ऐसा लगता है? Because this आम panna is transferred from this steel glass to this glass tumbler. कांच के ग्लास में उसका जो आम पन्ना है उसको ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया गया है. राइट? सो नाउ what do you think, children? Chaku's glass tumbler have less panna? क्या लगता है बच्चों आपको? कम है उसका जो ग्लास में जो आम पन्ना है, और यहाँ पे जो आम पन्ना है, यहाँ पे जो ये आम पन्ना है और यहाँ पे जो आम पन्ना है, दोनों में कुछ फ़र्क है? इसमें जितना है उतना ही इसमें होगा. और इज़ देयर लेस इन दिस कंटेनर, इन दिस ग्लास टम्बलर? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? नो, इट इज़ नॉट लेस. इट इज़ ऑफ द सेम क्वांटिटी. जितना इसमें था उतना ही इसमें भी है, बट बिकॉज this glass tumbler is bigger, this glass tumbler is bigger than this steel tumbler, so it is looking like it is less in quantity. Aam panna is less in quantity in glass tumbler, but actually it is not less. It is the same quantity that was in the steel tumbler. Am I clear, everybody? Okay. Now, given in the grid are some places where water is found. Find any 7 of them and put a circle around each. So here, children, as you can see, our table is there. There are many words hidden in this table that are related to the places where water is found. So children, we have to find out that places and encircle them. So the first one is here done for us by the books. Now the first one is waterfall. That is here, as you can see, that are in red color, waterfall. Now we have to encircle these words. Yes, the first one over here is well. Well, that is kua, lake, sea. Everybody is having pencil in their hand. Okay. The next one is rain, barish. Then comes the pond. Then comes tap, that is null. Spring, that is shower. ocean. So here are the 7 words: well, lake, rain, pond, tap, seas, spring, ocean. Am I clear, everybody? So these words you have to write here in this table on textbook on page number 24, right side of the page. मिल गया सबको? Okay. Now we'll move on to page number 25. In every row, put a circle around one that is different from the others. Also tell how it is different. So children, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 points are given here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in these 4 points, in these 4 sentences, something is different. There are some words given and something is different. We have to find it out which one is different. So children, are you ready with the pencil? Yes? Let's start. The first one: river, mountain, pond, spring, lake. Well children, in this first one, mountain is the different word. How is it different? Well, river is a source of water, pond is a source of water, even spring and lake are also source of water. But this mountain is not source of water. Well children, what is a source of water? Well, the place from where we can get water is known as source of water. तो रिवर में से हमको पानी मिलेगा, यस, पॉन्ड में से भी मिलेगा, स्प्रिंग और लेक इन दोनों में से भी हमको पानी मिल सकता है. बट माउंटेन यानी कि पहाड़, पर्वत, वहाँ पे पानी मिलेगा हमको, वहाँ से पानी मिल सकता है? नो. दैट मीन्स दिस माउंटेन इज डिफरेंट. नाउ कम्स another word, another sentence: fish, duck, fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. वेल चिल्ड्रन, अभी आपको इसमें कुछ अलग लग रहा है. फिश कहाँ रहती है? फिश लिव्स इन वाटर. इवन डक लिव्स इन वाटर. मंकी लिव्स इन वाटर. यस. ओके, लेट अस सी. crocodile, that is mugger lives in water. Yes. Tortoise, that is turtle, that is kachbo, lives in water. अच्छा, now who said that monkey also lives in water? Come on. किसी ने कहा था ना बंदर रहता है पानी में? No, monkey does not live in water. In fact, monkey lives on the tree. monkey थोड़े ही पानी में रहेगा. monkey पानी में रहेगा तो वो तो मर जाएगा. That means monkey here is different. Now comes the third sentence. The third point: car, boat, bus, train, bicycle. Now children, car runs on road. बोट जानते हो ना आप लोग? नाव, नैया, होड़ी. हाँ, दैट इज बोट. बोट कहाँ पे चलती है बच्चों? यस, वाटर. वेरी गुड. बस runs on road. Train on the railway track, and that means on land. And bicycle, that also runs on land, roads. So this car, bus, train, bicycle, all these 4 vehicles runs on land, while this boat sails on water. So here boat is a different word. Now the last point: bathing, washing clothes, swimming, combing hair, kneading dough. Now children, here they are saying bathing and washing clothes. Water is needed in bathing. Yes. In washing clothes water is needed. Yes. In swimming. Yes. Combing hair, बाल बनाने में पानी चाहिए होता है. Yes. Okay, let us see. And kneading the dough. Here kneading dough, दैट मीन्स आटा गूंदने में इसमें पानी चाहिए होता है. यस. सो बाथिंग, वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स, स्विमिंग, नीडिंग डफ. और किसी ने बोला था ना कॉम्बिंग हेयर में भी पानी चाहिए होता है. नो डियर चिल्ड्रन, टू comb the hair water is not needed. So this word is different. You have to encircle this words. Which one? Encircle the mountain, monkey, boat, combing hair. Okay? Done everybody? Very good. Now here comes an activity that is fun with colors. It is not compulsory. If you want to enjoy this activity, you can do it with the help of your parents. What you have to do is just take a paper and fold it in the middle. Now unfold it and put some drops of different colors on it. Fold the paper again and press it. Unfold the paper. Look what you have made. Well children, if you are having colors at your home, then only you perform this activity. If you don't have the colors, please don't go out to buy the colors. Please, please, please don't go out. This activity is not compulsory. Okay children, I hope you might have enjoyed this chapter. So now we will meet soon. Till then, bye bye everybody, take care.